welcome back to our channel. Welcome to our CAD room. Today's topic will be our lesson number 1 in basic AutoCAD tutorial. Our topics will be understanding the AutoCAD window or the user interface of our AutoCAD. Topic is composed of menu bars, standard toolbar, object properties toolbar, draw in modifying toolbars, drawing area, crosshair, the UCS or the user coordinate systems, the model tab, and layout tabs, also the command windows and status bar. First is the menu bar, which you can find up here with some tabs also. You can click this to view these tabs, and you can also deactivate that by right click anywhere here or here, and that's it. Here you can on off these features or these tabs by unchecking that. Example, the home is deactivated, so we can turn it back. Next, we'll go to our standard toolbar, which is composed of these different menu bars and icons. Then object properties toolbar, which is here, representing the properties. This toolbar is indicating the properties of your object here in your drawing area. For example, this line, it represents, for example, we have to right click this and check the properties. You can view the property indicated. Next is the draw and modifying toolbars, which you can see here. This is also another tab of menus where you can see several tools and icons here. We will explore this on our next topic. Then the modifying toolbars, also here, for modifying your drawings, your objects, etc. The next toolbar or interface is the drawing area. So this is the drawing area where we draw our objects. Next is our crosshair, which I was moving right now. This is our crosshair. You can also change the settings of your crosshair. You can shorten the attached line on it by just right click your mouse, go to the option, then on the display tab you can drag this crosshair size to your most convenient size. So we can apply this, said okay, here we go. Crosshair is shortened. For me, I'm convenience using the full size of crosshair because in alignment sometimes of drawings text, for me it's the most convenient to have a full size crosshair, but it's up to you. If you like this type of crosshair, anyone can resize it. We can also explore here the other menus. We will have a topic on this soon for the advanced mode. So this time for the basic operation, this is not the time to adjust because this is complicated and we need much understanding on adjusting these menus. Let's go back to our topic. Next is our UCS, or the user coordinate system. So this is representing our UCS. We are on the top view of our drawing. So we can find the X and Y axis. In the later part of our tutorial, we will take up the 3D, which is X, Y, and Z. So far, our Z is here facing upward, so that's why we cannot see the Z coordinates. Our next toolbar is the Model tab and Layout tab, which we can see here. Our active tab right now is the Model tab, which we draw our objects or drawings. The next tab is our Layout tab. Here is represent if what size of paper we will going to use to print our drawings. So this tab can be configured. We will teach you sooner how to set up or manage this tab. Next tool is our command window, which you can see here. This toolbar indicate what is happening on your drawing area. Example, if we click this line, it also reflects here. This command window can be also used. Example, if we draw some lines, so we can type here line, then press enter on your keyboard like this. Okay, press enter again to terminate the line. So it is also equal when you just click here the line icon and perform or draw a line same times. This command line or command window is very useful if you know the basic shortcuts in AutoCAD. I will give these shortcut commands later on our topic. Our last toolbar is our status bar, which you can see here, down here. And we can also click this to select or deactivate the other features here. So this is the default menus activated. Okay, that's all for our lesson number 1. Hope you have enjoyed watching our video and learn some basic familiarization on the user interface of our AutoCAD. Thank you very much and stay tuned. See you on our lesson number 2. God bless.